Welcome to Trend Hub, your go-to space for all things design. Today we're diving into a charming and nostalgic decor style, vintage pastel purple and lace. If you're a fan of soft, timeless aesthetics, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment down below to let us know what you think of this dreamy style. Pastel purple is a color that immediately brings to mind softness and serenity. It's delicate yet lively, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere in any space. The gentle tone evokes feelings of calmness and nostalgia, which makes it a perfect choice for a vintage-inspired decor style. When we talk about vintage, we're referring to a timeless appeal, furniture, colors, and accessories that reflect the charm of past decades. Vintage design allows you to incorporate elements that feel as though they've been passed down through generations, evoking a sense of history and nostalgia. Lace has long been associated with elegance and femininity. When combined with pastel purple tones, it creates a soft, romantic atmosphere that feels both sophisticated and cozy. Lace curtains, tablecloths, and even accents on furniture bring texture and visual interest to a space. For your living room, start by choosing pastel purple for the walls or an accent piece like a sofa or armchair. Add lace throw pillows or a lace table runner to bring in the texture. The combination will create a cozy, welcoming space for relaxation and entertainment. Vintage furniture is key to making this decor style truly shine. Look for pieces with classic designs. Think distressed wooden chairs, antique side tables, or a vintage floral armchair. These timeless pieces will anchor the space and give it that authentic, lived-in feel. Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood in any room. To enhance the vintage pastel purple and lace theme, opt for soft, warm lighting. Think crystal chandeliers or vintage-inspired lamps with lace shades for that extra touch of elegance. Texture is everything in vintage decor. Incorporate soft fabrics like velvet, linen, and cotton in pastel purple shades. Lace accents on cushions, throws, or even bed linens can tie together the overall look while adding layers of texture to your space. While pastel purple works wonderfully in living rooms, it can also transform bedrooms, dining areas, and even bathrooms. A pastel purple accent wall, or a few well chosen pastel purple accessories like vases or lamps, can bring the magic of this color into any room. Floral patterns are a staple in vintage decor, and they pair beautifully with pastel purple and lace. Consider floral wallpaper, bed linens, or even a vintage inspired rug. The softness of the florals combined with the delicate lace brings a sense of whimsy to the space. To create a balanced and harmonious space, you can mix pastel purple with other soft hues like pale pink, soft yellow, or mint green. These colors complement each other and enhance the overall vintage aesthetic. Lace curtains are a quintessential element in vintage farmhouse design. They add an ethereal touch, filtering light in a way that creates a dreamy atmosphere. Choose lace curtains in soft ivory or pastel purple to frame your windows beautifully. A lace tablecloth can completely transform your dining area. For a formal dinner or casual brunch, pair your lace tablecloth with vintage inspired plates and glassware. Soft pastel purple accents, like napkins or placemats, will tie everything together. You can add lace directly to your furniture for a truly vintage feel. Consider using lace slipcovers on chairs or adding lace trim to a settee or armchair. The result will be a charming, personalized touch that enhances the room's vintage vibe. Look for vintage inspired accessories that blend well with pastel purple and lace. Items like antique picture frames, lace trim mirrors, and porcelain vases will complement your decor while adding character and depth to the space. Art is an easy way to introduce pastel purple into a room. Choose vintage style prints, botanical illustrations, or even lace inspired artwork. Frames in distressed wood will enhance the vintage look, adding depth and richness to your walls. Transform your bedroom into a sanctuary with pastel purple and lace. A vintage-inspired bed frame, lace bed skirts, and soft pastel bedding will create a cozy and romantic environment, perfect for winding down after a busy day. Lace bed linens can completely change the mood of your room. Look for bedspreads or pillowcases with lace accents or embroidered details. These delicate touches will add texture and elegance to your pastel purple bedroom. Vintage clocks and mirrors can double as functional art pieces. Look for ornate, gilded clocks or distressed wooden mirrors with intricate lace-like details. These items bring both style and functionality to your space, creating a timeless look. If you love crafting, there are plenty of DIY projects to bring lace into your decor. Consider creating lace lampshades, lace wrapped jars, or even lace wreaths to hang on your walls or door. These projects are simple and can be personalized to fit your style. Lace rugs can add a soft touch to hardwood floors or even complement a vintage style carpet. Choose one with soft pastel purple hues and delicate lace detailing for a truly unique look. Don't forget about your outdoor areas. A lace tablecloth on a garden table or lace trimmed cushions on your outdoor seating can bring that vintage charm outdoors. In the kitchen, pastel purple and lace can work wonders. Opt for lace curtains on your kitchen windows and use vintage china or mason jars with purple accents. These simple touches will make your kitchen feel warm, welcoming, and vintage inspired. You can also incorporate pastel purple into a modern farmhouse setting. Mix rustic wood furniture with lace details and pastel purple accessories. This fusion of modern and vintage will create a fresh yet timeless feel. Vintage floral bedding sets in pastel purple are a must-have for any bedroom. The soft colors combined with the delicate floral patterns create a serene and peaceful atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and sleep. A lace table runner is a simple way to add texture and elegance to your dining table. Choose one in pastel purple and complement it with vintage silverware or floral centerpieces. It's a small touch that makes a big impact. In the bathroom, pastel purple towels and lace accents can bring the vintage vibe into your everyday routine. Opt for lace shower curtains or lace trim hand towels for a touch of elegance. Don't forget about small details like lace trimmed lampshades, lace doilies under vases, or even lace wrapped flower pots. These unexpected touches will create a cohesive and charming atmosphere throughout your home. To make this style your own, personalize it with items that hold sentimental value. Family heirlooms, vintage photographs, or even pieces of lace passed down through generations will give the space a more personal and meaningful touch. And there you have it, vintage pastel purple and lace decor, the perfect combination for a serene, timeless home. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment letting us know how you would incorporate this decor style into your own space. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.